Okay, for the last and final step, we're using this rubbing compound, which now you can tell how the glass, man, this thing is very smooth, and then you can notice that also, like, there's no more scratches or anything like that on it. And one might say, well, it's not done yet. Well, for sure it's not done yet, you know, for it to look like that. Yeah, crystal clear. So you put on the rubbing compound, put it like that. You don't just go ahead and start with the drill right away. So what we do is we get this part here, and then we just go ahead and smear it around. Pretty much what you're going to be working with. And then once you do that, then you can go ahead and start busting away. Apply a good medium pressure to it. Just up and down, same thing, up and down. Just like that, and we'll set the patterns right there. And you'll start to notice that once you start busting this light out, the headlight light, and you can get your microfiber cloth and batteries dying out on this drill. And so, then after that, go ahead and give it a shot with these microfiber towels. And go ahead and give it a nice little wipe. It's pretty much almost night and day difference on this. It's freaking beautiful and amazing. I mean, normally this is a little bit still hazy. I haven't put no compound on here. Even if I rub it, it'll still look the same. But yeah, I mean, I still got to do a little bit more, but the results are pretty damn amazing. So, really liking this headlight restoration kit. Thanks for joining Eternal Universal Minds, me Jesse, and enjoy yourselves and give it a shot. You never know until you do something different, and don't be scared. Have someone else do it that knows how to do it, or at least has the knowledge of doing it. So, greatness to everyone, and subscribe to this channel. Welcome back, everybody. So these are the final stages of what I did with the headlight restoration. You got to see on the right side now, we got the nice crystal clear look to it. Nice. Same here, no more yellowing. Everything's good. So at the end, I end up using the deep crystal carbona wax. Just wiped it a little bit, and it's beautiful. It's just like buying brand new headlights for about 13-14 bucks worth, unless you have to buy some wax and another $7. Other than that, this car shines. I like it. Everything's good about it. Enjoying this car. This is me, Jesse. Eternal Universal Minds. Enjoy.